Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can create an account on Swoop. Swoop is a web page where you will be able to get signed up for your account and you will be the first to know about deals, new destination and other exclusive stuff from here. You also can easily book your flight and destination with big deal. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and searching for a www.flysoup.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Swoop, there you can see the option of sign in on top right side of the screen. You need to click on it. Here you will see login form page. As we are going to create a new account on Swoop, here you need to click on sign up now. To create your account on Swoop, here you need to provide the following details. Starting from the very first, you go in for choosing your title. Provide your first name, last name. Then go in for providing your date of birth. Then you go in for providing your phone number. Provide your email address. Then go in for providing a password for your Swoop account. Now here, after providing all the details, you need to click on both the checkbox. Then you click on create account. As you can see, your account has been created. Thanks for signing up with Swoop. Now here, you need to click on continue. And with that, your account has been created in Swoop. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for a Swoop account.